welcome back to Rick's new YouTube channel. Sorry he hasn't been posting for long, but yeah, I'm here now, so I can take care of that. So we're going to be doing a slime video. This is my slime. It's a nice dark green slime with blue and silver glitters in it. So in today's video, we're going to be like poking some slimes. So we're going to be adding glitter to this really weird rubber slime.
No, she used to have a slime again. She said
so, and look how stretchy mine is. It's way stretchier. Mine's softer.
mine's look.
Yeah, you have to wait for it. Okay, so now we are going to do some ASMR and try to do some bubbles. Yeah. So I'm going to need you to move over.
And I'll need you to add my glitter.
Yeah, I'm going to do that after my ASMR.
This one is really soft.
So I'm just going to like spread out the slime.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna put it over here so like you guys can see it and so put the camera over here. Sorry guys, my sister just did it. So you can go and get your spoon, whatever. Magic. So we're just spreading.
Can
I have it then?
Yeah.
Oh, can I get a Kit Kat's fidget cube?
Forever.
So that's a little one, but let's try to do some ASMR with it. Oh, lots of air bubbles. Okay. So, really good. It's a really nice slime. So now we are going to put some glitter into my sister's slime. So we had to go get all the things. So see you then. Bye. So I'm going to pick off glitters. I've used the white, the silver, and the green button it, and the blue.
Purple.
So this is that's some of the glitter I used in it.
Let me see purple.
Can you shut up? So we're going to put some of my glitter pack in here. Is ready coming up, so we're going to put in these two colours. Actually, we're just going to do one because I know she's going to lose this time. I don't want to waste my pretty glitter. And do that one, okay. I'll just put it on a different angle. I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like. No, we're not mixing. Mix it. We're not mixing.
And then I'm mixing.
Can I do that, please?
No, it's mine.
Can I do it with you?
No, I am after her.
You can do it with mine, Ethan.
Yes.
Can I put glitter on it?
No.
It's already got some glitters in it.
Want some more glitter?
What colour?
Pink.
Pink doesn't go with dark green, but
But this colour? This colour?
no, that doesn't go with green either.
But this colour then?
That doesn't go either. None of those colours suit. That's why I use the silver. But when I make a new slime, because I'm getting a blue
But
foreign
if you
slime.
get a pink,
No, don't. That's,
if you got a
saving
pink
up for my new
slime,
slime that I'm getting.
if you have your pink slime, you can put that colour in there.
Couldn't see it. So
So
her glitter is finished.
And here's Harlem slime.
It's a really good one.
It's a real stretchy Harlem.
So we're going to put some flow beads in it. So I'll see you then. Bye.
Yeah.
So I've got a little bit. I'm going to keep putting some more in every different shot. So put them in. And I knead it in. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice.
Can I feel?
Wait, after I finish kneading. Okay. So like you can see them in there. I'm gonna get some more foam beads. So bye. Some more. Let's knead that in. Still kneading. I'm not gonna like put in lots because I don't want like an extra crunchy slime. I have lots of slimes. and I have lots at my house. And I have lots at school. Can you get me a gobstopper?
What colour?
It's the colourful ones.
Hold on.
Okay.
So what colour is the one inside?
Tell me if you can see any flame balls in there.
You know Dad doesn't even know what you did on leaf. He doesn't know that we find it.
Okay. So,
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't, Highland.
no, he doesn't.
does actually. Because he even told me. Oh, he's a liar. No, I told him.
Why?
I just said
Okay. It's a really stretchy and glittery, crunchy slime. It's a little sticky. That's why I made it look like this. It's like I want to make a crunchy foam stuff. Foam slime.
Can you breathe under me? Yeah.
Got some more. Thanks to my cousin Reason, you are watching his YouTube channel, not mine. But make sure you go subscribe to mine. Mine is Harlem_Airfutta. I mean just Harlem.
She only has
Airfutta.
one video and it's just a cup song. But make sure you subscribe to her. Because she has 201 views. And I have 602 videos. Now actually I'll get some more views.
We're gonna make it a bit more crunchier. Can you hear that ASMR? So thanks for watching my video. His videos. But bye. Make sure you subscribe to me and my cousin.